Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs, reviews, and other things. Alright guys, so today's video comes via a very bad dream that I had a couple weeks ago where I woke up covered in sweat and in the dream my Tesla tires were stolen. Wheels, rims, everything was gone and it was sitting on bricks. And I'm not joking, this scared the living crap out of me. So I woke up and decided that I'm going to go ahead and zoom in over here and buy the Tesla wheel locks. So what are wheel locks? Basically you just install one of these bolts on each tire and it prevents anybody from trying to, well, hopefully prevents anyone from trying to steal your rims and tires off of your car. It comes with this special key here, and only this key can unlock these bolts here to remove the tire. So hopefully if you somebody's trying to steal your tire, they can't. They're going to get to this bolt hopefully first and then realize that they can't take your tire off, run home and pissed off, crying or whatever. So this is just a good little security measure so that nobody steals your wheels or tires, because as you know, those are about $5,000, so it's definitely something somebody may try to steal one of these days. All right, so the things you're going to need to remove the bolts. I have a 24-volt cobalt brushless impact drill, battery powered, works great. Hopefully it takes this off. Make sure you also have the correct impact drill sockets, because I got made fun of really badly for using the regular chrome ones, so I went ahead and purchased the correct ones. I also got a torque wrench so we can torque the bolts down to 120, because that's what Bearded Tesla guy said, go down to 120. So if that's not right, blame him. And then we got this little pick tool that I also got from Bearded Guy's video to remove the cover for the rim so that we can access the bolts. All right guys, so with that said, let's go ahead and get everything off and see if this works. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is just go ahead and grab our little pick tool and just go in and pull out, just like so. That will expose our bolts here. Now I'm not raising the car because I'm only taking one bolt off, so this is really easy. We're just gonna pull this bolt off and then put it back in. Okay, now grab your impact drill with your 21mm impact socket like I have here, the black ones. Make sure it's set to unlock, not lock. Just find a bolt that you like. I'm gonna go for this top one here, insert in all the way, and let's see. All right, very easily pull the bolt out, no problem, okay? And this is battery powered. Don't let anyone tell you that a battery powered one will not work. All right, so now we're just gonna put in the key. I'm sorry, the new bolt that came with our kit, and we're gonna attach the key to the impact socket and then bring it in. And I might actually just torque it down with the torque wrench and not even use the impact. Okay, now just open your package and grab one of your screws out. This will be the key that you need to keep in your car. It will only fit these bolts here. So just go ahead and grab one, and we're gonna go ahead and screw it in. Okay, so let's just go ahead and hand tighten this in, like so, just until it stops. Actually, that's just until right there is fine. Now we're gonna go ahead and get our torque wrench and just torque it down to 120. Okay, so now I got my torque wrench here, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's set to 120 foot-pounds. There we go, sorry, that rolled away. So then you'll just go ahead and take your socket, same socket you were using, and attach it. Then the key that comes with the Tesla lock kit, and put that right there like so. Then you're just gonna come right over here, make sure you hold it in place, and then once it gets in place, you can just hand tighten it like so. And you're just gonna tighten, and once it starts to get a little tight, just make sure you hold it and press down, just like so. Once you hear that noise, you're good. You're at 120 foot-pounds of torque, your key is in, nobody can get it off, then just go ahead and put your plate right back on, just like so. And that's how you do it. And just make sure you do all 4 tires. I'll show you guys one more tire. No need to do all 4, and then we'll end the video. So let's move on to the back. All right, so I'll do this one straight through, just so you see how fast it really is. Remove the bolt. Get your new one. Socket. Key. Just like so. Once it does that, you're at your right amount. Just like so. Doesn't take not even but a minute. Alright, so already did 2, no need to show you guys the 4. The main thing is after you're done, you take your key here and put this in a very secure place somewhere. Probably you should have it in the car, even if it's in your house. Just make sure it's easily accessible, but hidden. If it's in the car, make sure it's really hidden, obviously. But if you ever get a flat tire, need to change your tire, you're gonna need this key. So make sure you do not lose this and you keep that. With that said, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my tires and in this video. Thank you guys for watching. You know what to do. Smash that like button and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.